Every trader wants more confirmation, more indicators, more confidence. But what if I told you all of that is making you worse? I'm talking about the habit that looks like mastery, but it's undermining your ability to execute. Today, I'm showing you why overanalyzing is killing your progress and what to do instead to start trusting your edge. Hi everyone, welcome again to this channel. This is Kojak's Pro. I'm a trader and I've been at this game for over 3.5 years. Overanalyzing has been a problem for a lot of traders. I experienced this very one destructive skill myself when I had a proper edge in my hands to trade the markets with. But oftentimes I find myself trying to overcomplicate that edge by adding one or more metrics to my edge or to my system or my strategy. This, I'll tell you, obviously, they didn't help me, and as a result of that, I became very scared of taking my trades once the setup comes up. And I didn't know what was holding me back. I actually thought that I was trying to take the perfect entries. I was trying to stick to my strategy, all the parameters of my strategy. Little did I know that I was actually scared of the market taking my trades and giving me a stop loss on that. So I was actually scared of losing trades. And I'm sure a lot of traders are in these shoes right now, especially newbie traders. And that's why I'm here to show you why you should absolutely come out of that shell and go and take your trade setups as they come. This will not only help you gain the confidence to trade your setups as they come in this market, but it's also going to downplay all the fears you've been having about trading, about the market's analysis from the market's perspective. You are going to be taking your setups as they come to you, and then you trade profitably. You're going to shorten your learning curve in half once you actually start trading and stop overanalyzing. That being said, so if you're new to this channel, subscribe. Now, let's get into the video. Let me ask you something. How many times have you had a clean setup, but decided not to take it because your third confirmation didn't line up? That's not discipline. That's doubt wearing a disguise. We fall into the trap of trying to predict the future perfectly, instead of just following what's already in front of us. One clean setup, one strategy, one moment. I remember missing a trade R NZD CHF setup. Clean break, retest, but I wanted a particular cross to happen, which never came. The market moved. I hesitated. It took off without me. And I told myself at the time, better safe than sorry. But what I really meant was I didn't trust myself. Here's the real danger. The more tools you add, the more excuses you create for yourself not to execute. Your brain gets overwhelmed. Every tool tells you something different. You second guess your plan, and before you know it, the trade is gone. This is called analysis paralysis. It makes you feel productive, but it's just fear. Fear of being wrong, fear of losing, fear of taking responsibility. I often see traders looking for a perfect storm before they act. Let me be clear, you don't need perfect, you need precise. Execution beats analysis every single time. How do you stop overanalyzing? Simple, strip it back. Step 1, choose one setup that works for you. Step 2, remove anything that is not essential. Step 3, execute based on rules, not feelings. I call this clean thinking. It's not about removing intelligence, it's about removing clutter. When I finally simplified my charts to just one bias, one trigger, and one level, I started executing faster, cleaner, and without regret. And guess what? I finally found consistency. If you're stuck in the overthinking loop, I've put together something that helped me simplify everything. It's called the Clean Thinking Execution Guide. Inside, I break down the signs that you are overanalyzing, how to clean up your charts, and a daily checklist I still use to keep my execution sharp. Download it for free, link below. Remember, more tools won't fix your fear. Execution does. If this hits home, subscribe. I'm here to make you trade like a pro, not a perfectionist. See you in the next one.